Is there a right time to buy a home? As a buyer, are you wondering when is the right time to buy real estate? Hi friends, buying a home or investment property is a big decision, and timing can make all the difference. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, and today I'll help you explore the key factors to considering when deciding if now is the time to buy. First, let's talk about market conditions. Timing the market can be tricky. While waiting for prices to drop or interest rates to fall may seem smart, it's essential to remember that real estate is a long-term investment. Home prices and interest rates fluctuate, but over time, property values generally increase. So if you're ready to buy, waiting may not always save you money in the long run. Also, it is very important to consider your financial situation. One of the best indicators of when to buy is your personal financial readiness. This includes having a stable income, good credit score, and enough savings for a down payment and closing costs. If you feel financially prepared, you're already on solid ground to consider a purchase. Next, it is important to think about interest rates. While rates aren't as low as they were in recent years, they're still manageable compared to historical averages. Additionally, you can refinance if rates drop in the future. Remember, the right time to buy is often when you can comfortably afford the monthly mortgage payments at current rates. Another factor is the available inventory in your desired area. If there's a good selection of homes that meet your needs, it might be a great time to buy. On the other hand, if inventory is low, you may need to be more patient and wait for new listings that match your criteria. And finally, if you're buying for the right reasons, it's essential to consider why you want to buy. Are you looking for a place to call home, building equity, or expanding your investment portfolio? If the reasons align with your goals and lifestyle, it might be the perfect time to buy, regardless of what the market is doing. The bottom line is the right time to buy real estate is when you feel financially and personally prepared with a clear understanding of your goals and the market conditions. If you're considering buying, let's connect. My team and I are here to provide you personalized guidance and current market data to help you make a confident decision. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, giving you your perfect home made in LA.